Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a review on the Ecotric Power Sport electric bicycle. So this is a fully electric bicycle. It actually is a normal bike, but you can also turn on the electricity to give you an extra kick while pedaling. So basically when you're pedaling, as soon as you start pedaling, then the electric will kick in and give you a boost. And there's some gauges right here, so you can turn it on. And then you have like the mode, low, medium, high. This will tell you how much battery power you have. And then you have your gears right here. And you actually have a throttle. So you actually don't even need to pedal at all. So you can actually just use the throttle and it will go. So I'm actually doing a review on it. I'm gonna test it out, ride it. Right now it's charging. There's a key in it right now, so I'm actually gonna unplug the charger real quick. All right. And then there you go. And you could actually take the seat off and pull this lever and actually pull the whole battery out and charge the battery. So it doesn't have to be charged on the bike. You can actually take the whole battery out. This thing comes out, take the seat off, lift the handle, whole thing comes up. So we're gonna jump right on it and we're gonna go for a ride. And I'll show you basically what it does. All right, so here it is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, first, before you do that, you have to go ahead and turn the key on. So turn it to on. So there it is, now it's on. Then you can hop on, press the on button here, and you'll get the mode settings. So right now I'm in medium mode. I got 3 bars of power, which is awesome. It has double brakes, front and back. And so now I'm gonna jump on it and start riding. And while I'm riding, it's just gonna kick in. The electric will just kick in and will actually give you a boost. If you wanted to stop, slow it down, or stop pedaling, the electric will turn off. Like I said, you can ride this as a normal bike. You don't need the actual electricity. But if you just want to cruise around town and not have to really pedal too hard, just do a little bit of pedaling, and as you can see, it goes pretty quickly. This thing can probably max up to like 30 miles an hour, I will say. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'll also show you the throttle response right here. So you can actually just use the throttle and not have to pedal at all. So when you actually get this bike, it comes in 2 colors. It comes in black, or it comes in like a white color. And when it comes in the box, it's actually going to be fully disabled or disassembled. So you actually have to put the whole thing together. The instructions are kind of iffy, so you can actually go on YouTube and just learn it yourself. But I've seen a lot of cool reviews on it and decided, hey, let's go ahead and give it a try. And the really cool thing about this is actually it folds up. So it folds here, this drops down, it'll fold in the middle, and the pedals will fold, and you can actually fold it up into like a square, and you can put it inside a trunk or something, or in the back of the truck, or in an SUV, and you can actually take it. It's very easy to store, which is why, if you want to go to like a beach, throw 2 of them in the trunk of an SUV, and then when you get to the beach, take them out and just flip it back over and fully assemble it again. It takes like 30 seconds to unfold it, and then lock it in and you're ready to ride. So it's super cool. And like I said, this has to be in the on position here. Then you have 4 modes here. And right now it's on the medium mode. It tells you how much power you got. You have the gears, and like I said, you don't have to pedal. You can just use the throttle, and you can just go. You can ride it like a motorcycle. Or if you want to get some exercise, you can ride it with a little bit of kick. And if you really want exercise, you can actually turn off the engine, turn off the battery, and do like a regular bike ride. So it's a lot of fun when you want to go to, like I said, the beach, or you want to just ride around with your friends down a trail. So, and yeah, so here's a quick walk around real quick. I'm just going to show you around. Yep, there it is. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you ever rode anything like this. They used to have the gas-powered ones, but they're just really loud. And these are awesome. You just charge it, you don't have to worry about putting gasoline in it. And it's very eco-friendly. So, like I said, questions, comment down below. If you're new, welcome. My name is Professor Mike. I post anything automotive, truck-related, car-related, anything reviews. And yeah, catch you all in the next video. Peace.